Animalia. Animalia. Right? What is animalia?
Multicellular.
Animalia may we have two types of one is non-chordates non-chordates or non-vertebrates or non-vertebrates, right? This is, and we have second is second is vertebrates vertebrates or chordata. Chordata. Non-vertebrates में we have first we have porifera. Porifera. Pores. Pores on body. Aquatic. Cycle. Its example is cycle. Right. Second is second is Coelenterata. Coelenterata. Coelomic cavity, bilaterally symmetrical, cylindrical, cylindrical, cylind- cylindrical, coelomic cavity, cylindrical and bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally bilaterally symmetrical means if you make in a two half, bilaterally symmetric symmetrical, right? Symmetrical. If you cut in a two half, they can be divided. Bilaterally symmetrical. An example is most famous, you heard about that is Hydra. Hydra. Right? Then third is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Or we called it flatworm. They are flat, bilaterally symmetrical, laterally symmetrical fluke is an example of it. Platyhelminthes. Then we have nematoda. Nematoda. These are, this is flat, this is roundworm. Roundworm, bilaterally symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical roundworm. This is we called Ascaris. We have book now.
Yes, sir.
You can keep checking also. Fluke. Then Ascaris. Nematoda. अरे यार तुम जितनी देर में चेक करोगे उतनी देर में तुम Nematoda. और पन्ना पलटो, इधर देखो लिखा होगा.
I name it to the roundworms.
Ascaris is an example of that.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Example hookworm and Ascaris.
You are studying just before one night of your exam, so बताने को तो फिर अभी मैं तुम्हें I can tell you n number of names, but that is that is of no meaning. I should tell you that which you can remember, right? For a while, I just rub this, right? We talk it later. Vertebrates, right? Or chordata. Now, by after nematoda, we get what? We get right. Annelida. They have segmented body. Segmented body, right? And earthworm. Earthworm. Then we have 6, that is called Arthropoda. Arthropoda. It is largest phylum. It is largest phylum. Largest phylum. And examples are what?
Earthworm.
It has joint legs. Has joint legs. Right? It's not earthworm, man. It is having scorpion. 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 Housefly. Housefly. mosquito, etc. This is arthropoda. Then we have seventh is mollusca. Mol, mollus, mollusca, right? They have exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. An example is octopus. Right? Octopus. Seventh. And what is eighth now? Echinodermata. Yeah? Eighth is Echinodermata. Echinodermata means they have spiny surface. Spiny surface. Appearance. मतलब इकाइनोडर्मेटा में जो होता है वो स्पाइनी सरफेस appearance. It looks like that there are spines on the surface, right? It may or may not be. And its example is
Starfish.
yeah, starfish. We have 8 phylums which are non-chordates. Earlier when we have three kingdom classification, then we have protozoa in it, then we were having 9 phylums. Now in 5 kingdom classification, protozoa we send in Protista. So there is 8 phylums we have which are non-chordate. They do not have vertebral column. Right?
Yes, sir.
So do you